The Upper Town of Zagreb originally had 5 gates, but only one of those gates remains today. The stone gate of the Upper Town is Zagreb's last remaining gate. This gate was originally built in the 13th century, and as you can imagine, it has been through a lot. In the year 1731, there was a massive fire in Zagreb, and half of the town went up in flames, including the stone gate. When the flames were finally extinguished, the people sifting through the ashes found something incredible. A small painting on a piece of wood of Mary holding baby Jesus, and it was completely untouched by the fire. Of course, this was proclaimed a miracle. Today, this wooden painting is preserved behind bars inside a little chapel located inside the stone gate passageway. As you are walking through the gate, you are also walking through the chapel. It is quite an interesting and unique setup. The chapel is dedicated to the miracle painting, and the Holy Virgin Mary of Stone Gate is also now the patron saint of the city of Zagreb, which makes this chapel the most popular chapel in the city. The walls of the chapel are also covered with stone plaques. Each of these thank you tiles tells the story of how someone's prayers for a miracle to the Holy Virgin Mary of the Stone Gate was answered. In the past, when your prayer was answered, you would inscribe the tablet with hvala, or thank you in Croatian, and then list what prayer was answered. Most of the tiles you can see refer to the recovered health of loved ones. A very old sign on the outside of the gate reads, "Through this gate it is forbidden to drive a carriage, ride a horse, or pass with cattle." Part of the gate also has a statue of Dora Krupik, a famous literary character in the Croatian classic novel, The Goldsmith's Treasure. And lastly, on the roof of the stone gate is a spiked star. This could possibly be the earliest example of air defense in history. These spiked stars on the rooftops of Zagreb were put in place to catch low-flying witches in medieval times. But the only one that had any success with these things was probably the crafty guy selling them.